Hello, hi. In this video, I will share 3 methods of making a hole to an object. So for that, go to edit and then click preferences and click search bar. So there's arc mesh. Enable arc mesh and press N in keyboard and go to create arc mesh and select the room. So before that, select all objects and delete it. Press key button in delete and scale it the wall and increase the wall 1 and then click to number of walls 2 and increase wall 2 increase wall 3 and then click on close. And then go to modifiers, enable that and select solidify and increase the thickness of the object and then you look and then go to loop cuts to add a loop cuts to an object. And press sheet face selector and select two faces and press delete button in keyboard and delete faces. Now select another face and delete face. And go to add mesh. Select the cube and scale it x-axis and then rotate it. So again add another cube arrange the cube in corner of the cube and go to modifiers and select a volume modifier and tick on the object, apply. Now remove the object from that another object. So now you can observe that and delete it and go to create and walls, scale the wall and increase the length of the wall and number of walls 2 and scale it and wall 3 scale it. Now close the walls. Go to modifiers and select solidify and increase the thickness of the object and go to add and mesh and select a cube and scale the cube and place the corner of the wall or cube. Okay, this cube is not okay. Now scale it small. Okay, now some scale. Okay, ready. Okay, now press Shift D to duplicate that object and arrange it another corner and go to volume and tick on the pencil mark and click on object. Now apply. The same process, go to volume and click on pencil and click on that object and apply and remove that object from the wall. Objects. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.